Hello, my name's Jessica. I'm a fully qualified maths teacher, and today I thought I would just hop on to say that the fifth year exams, so the M5, M6, M7 and ME exams are happening on Monday the 3rd of June. So that is just a couple of weeks from now. I hope that all the revision is going really well. If you're going through random past paper questions and you're finding that there's particular topics that you need more help with, please leave me a comment or send me an email and I will try and carry out a video on those topics. Sometimes coming up to exams, I can find that kids and pupils that I tutor, there would be maybe a topic of transformations or nth term or maybe percentage questions or circle theorems or something that is really starting to trip them up. They've maybe been fine the entire school term, and now that they've been practicing past papers, they're starting to sit some of their GCSE exams, panic is setting in, and they can start to struggle with topics they've never struggled with before. So there's no shame. Remember, don't count the days, make the days count. So don't think to yourself, oh, I haven't time to go back and revise over topic A or topic B. I need to keep moving. It's okay to take a day, to take an hour, to sit down and say, right, I need to group all the questions on transformations and I need to really learn how to draw these, okay? Remember, there's 4 main types of transformations. Can you do all of them? How do you spot them? When do you know which one you're using? Don't forget to ask straight away for tracing paper to help you with the rotation questions. You might find that you're really struggling with your nth term, so you need to go back and group a few nth term questions together, look on the internet, find some nth term questions to help you, and see what it is that you're struggling with on that topic and what it is you're finding difficult, and then try and look at the mark scheme and try and work out how is it I do this topic again. And that's okay. Otherwise, if you don't address the topics that you're struggling with and just take the time and understand them and see how do you know when you're doing what, then you will carry that uncertainty with you into the exam. And what you'll find is in the couple of days leading up to the exam, the weekend before it, because it's on Monday, the weekend before it, you'll find yourself thinking, oh dear, I hope I don't see a transformation question. I hope I don't see an nth term question. Oh dear, I hope there's no percentages. I hope there's no probability or statistics or relative frequency. You want to walk into that exam and say to yourself, hold your head up high and say, I have worked the hardest I can work. I have done the best that I can do. And I'm going to go in there and I'm going to show the examiners that I have worked hard and I can do maths. Okay, that's the positive attitude you want to go in with. And the only way that you can stand there and tell yourself you did your best, and the only way that you will feel okay with whatever result you get, remember, it's your path in life and you will get whatever you need to be wherever you're supposed to be. And I've never saw the day end just because somebody failed an exam. The days have kept going on. The sun has still risen and shone. So do not fear. If this is your second time sitting this exam, I really hope it goes well for you. Hopefully this time you're going in with a different outlook. Maybe you've revised a little bit more and you feel a lot more prepared. Yes, so take time grouping questions, do the best that you can. And I always tell the kids that I teach and the kids that I tutor, do not practice till you get it right. Practice till you can't get it wrong. Okay, so that's a really good attitude to have. If you're struggling and if you've got questions, please feel free to send me a wee email, or you can comment on this video and I'll try and do videos of topics you're struggling with. We could work through past papers together. I have a few later today on Skype that from England that would like to do some practice, so that's very exciting. So group questions you're unsure of, it's okay to take a day or 2 days to do that. You want to walk into your exam and you want to think there's no question that I don't want to see. Obviously we hope that they're nice, but you want to go in confident with all your topics. And you have to remember this time in 5th year you'll be sitting 2 papers back to back. So you'll sit your non-calculator paper and a calculator paper. So make sure you arrive braced to do so. And group questions that you're not sure of. Practice as many as you can in the day. Spend a good couple hours on your maths. Remember to take in a calculator. If your calculator is like mine and it has the solar power, that's great. If not, and it doesn't have the solar power, a new couple of batteries probably wouldn't go amiss. And don't forget, for this 5th year paper, you're probably going to need a protractor and a compass. So I hope that that video has been some good advice for you, and I hope that you can group some questions, pick random ones off the CA website if it's the CA exams that you're sitting, and just keep practicing, keep your head down. The end is near, okay? So it's just temporary, it's temporary revision. It's all come to an end eventually. So I hope it all goes well, and if you have any questions, feel free to message me, and happy revising. Bye!